Hey guys, so this is how you unlock your Samsung Galaxy S2X with Kodo. You gotta go find your IMEI number first. So that, and just the counting. That's your IMEI number, get that down. And then you go to selfunlocker.net, and you go in the bottom right hand corner. You select your phone thing. Company Samsung. Find your model number. There's mine. My current network. And you put in your IMEI number. So I put in mine. So it's gonna say for this much, and then you go and place your order. Okay, so then you get an email by them, and it basically gives you your unlock code and the instructions all over here. I would put you put in a SIM from like another company, so I put in Chatter, and you turn the phone on. Okay, so it says SIM unlock, network unlock pin, so you basically put in the pin. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in the pin. Okay, so I put in the pin. Okay, just click unlock. Network unlock successful. So now all you have to do really is, well, it says right there it's unlocked, so yeah, you can just restart it. Should be on the safe side.